There are two ways to change the wrong password message in WordPress: a code snippet for your admin login page and the Password Protect WordPress plugin for any page or post protected with a password form. Method 1. Change the error message on your WordPress admin login page. By default, WordPress shows very specific hints when someone enters the wrong credentials. If the username doesn't exist, it says unknown username, check again, or try your email address. If the username is correct but the password isn't, a different message appears. These hints can be a security risk. They tell an attacker exactly which field they got right. Here is how to replace all of that with one neutral message. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and click Theme File Editor. In the right-hand panel, look for the functions.php file of your active theme and click on it. Scroll to the very bottom of the file. Paste this code. Replace "something is wrong" with whatever message you want to display. Keep it short and neutral. Click Update File to save. Now go to your WordPress login page and test it. Whether someone enters a wrong username, a wrong password, or both, they will see the same message every time. Method 2. Change the error message on password-protected content. This second method is for pages and posts protected with the Password Protect WordPress plugin. It works with both the free and pro version. Before you can customize the error message, you need to have at least one page or post already protected with PPWP. To do that, go to Pages, select the page you want to protect, look for the Password Protect WordPress column, click Password Protect, then Password Protect this page. Once that is done, open your protected page in an incognito window, and you'll see the page is password protected. To customize the error message, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Customize. The WordPress Customizer will open. In the left panel, scroll down until you see PPWP Single Password Form. Click on it. Inside that section, click on Error Message. Clear the default text and type the message you want visitors to see when they enter an incorrect password. Click Publish in the top left corner to save your changes. The new message will appear immediately on every page or post where PPWP is protecting your content. One extra tip: while you are in that same section of the customizer, you can also change the font size, font weight, text color, and background color of the error message. No code needed for any of that. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.